Morning, get ready with me as I prepare for a half day shooting some yoga content. Started my morning with a hot drink and some shabba time just to set the tone of my day, and then decided to wash my hair. And I'm using the Kerasilk range, and honestly, this shampoo is more like a conditioner. It's so smooth and creamy, you would really think it is. I want to make sure that I give you my top tip, which is to use a t-shirt to dry your hair instead of a towel. I promise you'll notice straight away the benefits. I went straight in with the curl balm, and I think this is the second or third tube that I've had, so you can tell that I'm really vibing with it. It's thick and it's creamy, but it just seems to melt into the hair. Definitely recommend going from the root all the way down to the tip and just noticing how the curls start to pop straight away as you brush it through. I took my time going through my hair. I have 3 different curl patterns, so distributing the product evenly is really important to me. Then I did a little curl check, just making sure that it was all through the hair correctly, and I went in with a little bit of diffusing. The last product that I'm using is the multi-benefit hair oil. Now this goes into the palm really thick, but it just seems to land on the hair super light. It really absorbs into the hair well, giving you a little bit of a shine, but also maximum moisturization. Not to mention the smell. I've had a lot of compliments about the smell of my hair when I've used this product, so be prepared to have people sniffing your hair. Then you will have seen this updo many times. It's super quick and easy. Grab a hairband, leave the front of your hair, let the curls pop and fall into the forehead, and just allow the rest of it to look quite messy on the top. Comb up through the sides and you're basically done. I love this look for when I'm shooting because it keeps me cool around the back of the neck, but also the curls just seem to pop and frame my face. I'm pretty much ready. This is my really easy wash and go look. I'm feeling fresh and ready to get my flow on.